Alright, so in the last lecture we left off with nested if and else statements. This lecture we're going to talk about Elif statements. So let's get started. First off, we've learned that if and else statements work on the following basis. I can say if, or first of all, let me create a variable. I'm going to call it day. Day is equal to, today is Tuesday, so I'm going to go ahead and put in Tuesday. Alright, whoops. Okay. Day is equal to Tuesday. Now, let's say I'm checking for each day. So if day is equal to Monday, then print sunny. All right. And now I do a simple else statement over here to specify, oh, whoops. My bad. Again, my bad. All right, one sec. So else print rainy. Okay. And for the specific, the basis of this program, it works fantastic. If day is equal to Monday, which it's not, it won't print sunny, it's going to print rainy. However, what if I wanted a specific case for Tuesday? I have if day is equal to Monday, Monday is a possibility, but what if day is equal to Tuesday? I know that on Tuesday it's going to be cloudy, but based on this code, cloudy will never come. How do I make it so that cloudy comes? Well, this is where Elif statement comes in. And if you've already guessed it, Elif stands for else if. So basically, it's another if statement you can add. So let's do this. If day is equal, let me just bring this down over here. Actually, that's fine. If day is equal to Monday, all right, this is our first statement over here. I want to say print sunny, right? Now, else if, okay, elif day is equal to Tuesday, I want to print cloudy. Okay, this is our second exception or second condition. And otherwise, if none of them are true, then I want to say I want to print out rainy. So think of Elif as another one. Oh, okay, sorry about that. Looks like it's a spelling mistake. I spelled Tuesday wrong. Tuesday, my bad. So now if we enter this out, we get, wait, what? Oh my god. Okay, my bad, guys. I spelled day wrong, or I spelled Tuesday wrong and day as well. So if day is equal to Tuesday, alright, let's get that straight. And then let's bring this if statement down and run this again. Cloudy, yay. So this is the whole concept of Elif. For example, if I have multiple conditions I want to go through, and it's not being done in my simple if and else program, what I can do is I can continuously add more and more of these Elif statements. These are basically, if this is true, do this, else if this condition, then do this, else if this condition, and so on until you get to an else where if nothing else, if none of these options return true, then do the else. So you can play around with the Elif. You can create some very simple, what would you say? Some simple if and else or Elif statements, and yeah, fantastic. There will be some exercises again at the end of this section where you can quickly go through your what you've learned. If you want some practice with this if and Elif stuff, definitely take a look at the exercises. Otherwise, let's move on to the next lecture, which will be about loops. See you then.